Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing higher on Monday, led by shares in technology and equipment, software and services, and the media sectors. On the economic docket, factory orders declining 0.6% month over month in November, while November durable goods orders, they increased 0.7% month over month. This all while advancers ahead of decliners. 70% of SP 500 constituents, they traded higher yesterday, now after the markets closed. Alphabet reporting fourth quarter diluted EPS of $12.77 versus an LPS of $4.35 a year ago on revenue of $39.28 billion, net income jumping to $8.95 billion. Chevron announcing the appointment of Pierre Breber, currently the executive vice president of downstream and chemicals, as the company's CEO to succeed Patricia Yarrington, this effective April 1st. Meanwhile, turning overseas, Asian markets mostly closed today. The Nikkei down 0.19%, but the Hang Seng, the CSI, and South Korea's Kospi, all three markets closed for national holidays. The European markets are gaining ground, and U.S. futures calling for a positive start. Now, in terms of expectations today, Estee Lauder second quarter EPS seen at $1.55 on sales of approximately $3.9 billion. Walt Disney first quarter EPS seen at $1.54 on sales of approximately $15.2 billion. Well, on the economic docket, 9:45 in the morning, we have the January final market U.S. services PMI read, and 10 o'clock in the morning, the ISM non-manufacturing read. The SP 500, meanwhile, is where we begin in the markets. That is looking towards 2750, and it's also in focus as the relative strength index is bullish and calls for further upside. Long positions above 2705 are favored with targets at 2737 and 2750 in extension. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, sees the bias remain bullish, while the Dow Jones sees a bullish bias above 25,025.